5-star direct cool refrigerator comes embedded with 1-hour icing technology that helps make ice in 60 minutes. Quick enough to give you chilled beverages instantly. The new 5-star DC has a thickness of 6.5 centimeters, which helps cool the objects faster when compared with other conventional refrigerators in the industry with the thickness of just 5.5 centimeters. Presenting India's most energy-efficient refrigerator, Haier 195 5-star DC. Haier, inspired living.